welcome to Booze Motors. Today we've got a little bit of an update on the garage and some of the issues we've run into.
Anyway, let's get the car outside so we can get a good look at the overall finish of the paint on the car. Ignore the hard starting of the car, it had just run out of fuel and I had to top it up with a few litres out of the jerry can. So yeah, overall we're pretty happy with the finish. I don't know if you can see in the light there. We've got rid of most of the orange peel by flattening it back and buffing it up with some Fast Cut Plus. And overall it does look quite good, but there's a few imperfections we need to look at. There was a couple of little runs on the back arch here, so these are going to need blowing in, but we'll mask it off from there onwards and we'll lose it along this line. Before we painted the car, we scraped off the original factory Schultz finish. Now that left a few imperfections once painted. So I've reapplied the Schultz, and then now I've got to re-blow it over with the 2K white over the top of that again. And then the last panel we weren't happy with was this front wing. Now when we were painting it, we got a slight run there, and then we tried to polish it out, just sanding the run out and polishing it out, but we burnt through to primer. Isn't ideal, but we can just mask it off here and then we'll lose it in this edge here. But yeah, overall the car's looking pretty well. So what's left now to do, bar the last few finishing off paint jobs? So now really all that's left to finish off is the upholstery and then some of the electrics that obviously don't work either. The carpet's dirty, but it's all there, it's probably savable, just needs a real good clean. And the worst part is obviously these seats. They are very sun faded, you know, the different colours in different spots. I know this car spent some time abroad, got some rips, more rips and more rips. The passenger seat isn't actually much better, and neither is the back seat, although if you look there it's a lot more faded to the sun. I have ended up having to buy, which I really didn't want to buy, full front and back seat kit. It's from a website called Only 944. I've got no affiliation with them whatsoever, but yeah, front and back seats came to $940 I think. Which I thought was bad enough, and then because they come from America, obviously to the UK, the import taxes, which I wasn't aware of at the start, came to £118. So yeah, a lot more than I would have wanted to pay. Anyway, let's get them out of the box and take a good look. They were quite expensive, but I am really impressed with the quality of them. The French stitching's really good, they're on like a backing foam so the stitches sink in nicely. Even though they're only vinyl, they're definitely far superior to some seats I brought from AMGB a few years ago. So yeah, that's where we're up to with the car so far. Join us next time where we'll obviously get the interior in. I'll leave out the rest of the paintings, it's just little bits of touching up and blowing in here and there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and we will see you next time. I just want to say as well, a massive apology about the slow uploads. My compressor blew the other week. One of the brass fittings exploded and then it started eating fuses. Also then sorted the two advisories on the MX-5. But it's never quite as simple as it seems, so the bolt snapped and then I had to tap it back through just to get it on properly.